Welcome to JH. Nyla Perfume by Arabia Prestige claims to be a modern fragrance with a fruity start, a floral heart, and a warm, lasting base. It promises elegance and luxury in every spray, because apparently, smelling like a regular human is just too basic these days. You've been asking if it's actually legit, so let's look at the facts. It's currently sitting at rank 85 in Amazon's women's eau de parfum category, which proves a lot of people are buying it, or at least a lot of people are really into clicking add to cart while bored at midnight. Being on a trusted platform like Amazon certainly adds some credibility to the hype. Customers are describing the scent as alluring and unforgettable, and the packaging is apparently gorgeous enough to make your vanity look like it belongs to someone with a much higher credit score. Reviewers say it feels luxurious and special, and most importantly, it actually lasts. When it comes to value, the general consensus is that it's worth every penny. You get a generous bottle for a reasonable price, which is a nice change from brands that charge a mortgage payment for 30 milliliters of scented water. The scent profile is a heavenly mix of fruity and coconut notes, giving off exotic vibes with hints of ambery vanilla and earthy undertones. It's layered, complex, and definitely stands out in a crowd. The bottle design is even being hailed as fit for a princess. So if you've still been waiting for your royal invitation, this might be as close as you get for now. So is Nyla legit? From what we can see, absolutely. It's popular, well-loved, and actually delivers on its promises of quality and longevity. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more updates, unless you prefer staying uninformed, which is also a choice.